So you want to create your own custom Among Us skins for either showing off online or just to simply mod the game. What is up guys, I'm Ronit back again with another video. In today's one we will be discussing just about that, how you can create your own custom Among Us skin, whether they are inspired from Pokemon, Dragon Ball, SpongeBob or Ben 10. Before starting off with the video, a quick disclaimer that this video has nothing to do with how to mod the game. There are a couple of videos out there I think which cover this topic, so if you want to check them out you can do it. But in this video we will be just dealing with how you can create your own custom skins. So first thing first, we'll need a drawing software. For this one I'm using Krita 4.3. If you want to use Photoshop or any other drawing software, feel free to do that. The concept will still remain the same. And using this workflow you can create any skin you can imagine. So as I said, you can use Photoshop or any other drawing software if you want to, but don't even try to flex that shit on me. I know you haven't paid for it. So in order to start off with your skin, you'll need to create a new canvas. And I'm using a 3000 pixel canvas. Basically anything under 1000 pixels is barely acceptable. What are you trying to create? Pixel art? As our new canvas opens up, for creating the new skin design, basically you will need to import the base character for your skin. Now obviously you can create your own character from scratch, but I'm not going to do that. Just tell me one thing, would you like to have your character look like this? Or would you like to have your character look like this? Yeah, that's exactly why I'm using this base image. And also it makes it easier for people to mod if they want to. Make sure all the other layers are deleted and the only layer in our project is this base character one. So for this example, I will be creating a Pikachu skin which was displayed in the very beginning of the video. And just in case you are as unlucky as I am, you won't be able to find a perfect yellow skin. If you're able to find it, fine. But if you don't find the right color for your skin, what you can do is you can basically create your own color by making some adjustment in the hue. But before doing that, we have to make sure that our character is divided into two layers. The first one will be the body, the colored one, and the second one will be the glass helmet, because we don't want the hue to be changed on our helmet or glass, whatever you call it. So in order to separate both of them, what we're going to do is we'll be using the freehand selection tool. Photoshop will have its own alternative for it. So simply press and select this area, then press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to basically duplicate this layer. Now with this area selected, go back to your original layer and simply press backspace or basically delete. So it deletes the selection from your original layer so that you have a separate layer now for your glass one and a separate layer for your base body. Now as I said, we have two separate layers for our character. So in order to change the hue, what we can do is we can add a filter mask, and within that filter mask we can add the HSV adjustment and simply click OK. And now go to the layer, to its settings, and change the hue and saturation a little bit so that you can get your perfect version of yellow. When you think you are completely happy with the color, the way it turned out to be, you can just start working with the other elements of your character skin. So this part is kind of tricky. For this one, what you can do is you can grab some reference images from Google and decide the elements you want to add in your character and the elements you want to ignore. So in the case of our Pikachu, what we will be needing is long rabbit-like ears and some red spots on the body. The art style basically the developers of Among Us used is relatively very simple. There are no pressure sensitive lines over here, and in many cases the lines are very wobbly. So even if you draw with a mouse, you're good to go. It will be very easy to match the art style. For the ears, I will be creating a separate blank layer and I'll start drawing with freehand curve tool. Now in order to match the color with the body color, we will be using the color picker. And now we will start filling the color inside the ear using obviously the fill tool. So finally use the transform tool to place your ear wherever you want it to be. Simply Ctrl C, Ctrl V to duplicate your ear. Place it again on the other side. Now for the red spots, we will be making a new layer and setting its layer mode to multiply. Now just select the red color, start drawing these red spots wherever you want them to be. Now for the extra shadows on your ears and other body parts, what you can do is you can just simply create a new layer with the opacity up to less than 50% and start drawing thick, dark yellow or greenish sort of lines to match the original shadows. And after you have done with that, you're good to go. And you have your first custom Among Us skin. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you want to, you can comment down your video ideas, comments or suggestions. You can subscribe, turn on the notifications, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, peace.